Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to change the shift knob on your Infiniti G37. First, gather your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver and your brand new shift knob. Always ensure your vehicle is safely in park and the engine is completely off before you begin. Preparing a clean, organized workspace will also help prevent losing any small parts during the process. This simple upgrade can significantly enhance your driving experience. Now, let's remove the old shift knob. Begin by locating the shift boot retainer, which is typically found at the very base of your existing knob. Carefully use a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry up this retainer ring. Once the boot is detached, firmly grasp the old shift knob and twist it counterclockwise. It should loosen and come off with about 3 to 5 full turns, revealing the threaded shifter shaft. With the old knob removed, it's time to install your exciting new one. Carefully align the new shift knob with the threaded shaft of the shifter. Begin turning the new knob clockwise, ensuring it threads on smoothly without cross-threading. Continue tightening until it feels completely secure and snug. Finally, make sure the shift boot is properly seated and snapped into place around the base of your brand new knob for a clean finish. Before you hit the road, perform a few final checks. Gently tug on the new shift knob to verify it is firmly attached and does not wobble or spin freely. Next, test all gear selections, ensuring smooth and unobstructed movement through each position. This quick and easy upgrade takes less than 15 minutes and significantly enhances your Infiniti G37's interior. Enjoy your refreshed driving experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.